Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to check Instagram account insights. Instagram allows users to view the information about their account's performance, audience, content interactions for the selected period of time. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile tab and hit the three lines icon in the upper right corner. Find the Insights section and tap to open it. Now choose the time period in the top left corner of the screen. After that, click on the certain metric for a more detailed breakdown. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to check Instagram account insights. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.